Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are back at Walgreens with some deals, and we're just going to walk through this again because so many people love this L'Oreal deal. It's to get these lotions for like under $1, which is an unheard of price. Before we dive into the deals, if you could do me one big favor, do me a kindness and give this video a big thumbs up. I would be so grateful. Really helps out with the channel to get the video out to more people and just to make sure it doesn't end up on a timeout, which isn't the greatest. So if you could please like this video, it would mean the world to me. Okay, so back to this deal. These are the digital coupons that we need to load. And I know not everybody has these, but most of us do. We have a 12 off of 2 digital, and this one's a manufacturer, along with the IVC, which is a Walgreens coupon, and it's $2 off of each of these little lotion potions. Ladies that are living in a colder climate love this deal, and I couldn't agree more. It's a very nice lotion. So putting 2 of these into a basket, and they are on a buy one get one 50% off. That's $18.73. $4 coming off, and that is your IVC. So the $2 times 2 is 4. Curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax, and then the $12 is melting off for a total of $3.61. What I did was I used $3 in Walgreens cash, paid 61 cents, and called this the smartest deal ever. Do love this deal to get this cheap lotion. Now, I would show you the candy bar that I bought, but my husband already ate it, so I'm kind of out of luck here. But if you get a single Reese's candy bar, there's a $1.25 manufacturer and a $1 IVC, which will get reduced down to 50 cents. It'll make the candy bar 4 cents if you want to throw it into your basket. Very easy to figure out. I was talking about that in my Monday curbside video. But the dog ate my homework. The candy bar is vanished. So that's today's story. Next store that we're at is Walmart, and we're going to talk more about some clearance finds. And I have been loving clearance shopping at Walmart. I don't know what it is. I found my passion again for this, and I cannot stay out of that store. So these little Funko Popsies are, they have, in the card section, they have an entire wall of this, or like a little end cap. All of these 90% off, and they are tracking with Valentine's Day. We have Belle, we have Mickey and Minnie, very specific ones as well, and Mr. Charlie Brown. So as you can see, ring it up with the Walmart app, and it's 69 cents. The original price for this was $6.99. So I mean, this is just an absolute terrific. If you want to put it with a birthday gift, grab a bunch of them. Why not? If you go to the site BrickSeek, these are 6 of the UPCs of some of the Popsies that I was finding, and it's by Funko Pop, so they're super adorable. But go to that website, type in these UPCs along with your zip. BrickSeek with Walmart, hits about a 30%. It's much better if you go to the store and just look for these and scan them with the Walmart app. And this is Belle and the Mickey and Minnie. The Mickey and Minnie has to be a black and white Popsy. It can't have any color on it. So they're very specific what they look like. But definitely, check it out. Maybe it's 69 cents in your market. Maybe it isn't. But this is one item that if you love these cute collectibles, definitely keep an eye out for this because they are so cute. I want to keep every single one and put them on a display because I do love these. Now, Cleaner has also hit weird clearances. Some of it's 75, some of it's 50. We have some Lysol wipes and Brasso that I found at one store. So the Lysol wipes are $2.49. The original price was $7.27. So I don't know if this is going to expire soon or what the story is. But there's a story to get this a lot cheaper with the coupons.com app. So I was able to find 3 at one store. Coupons.com is giving back a 50-cent rebate and a $1 rebate. So I got $1.50 back. And here is the UPC again if you wish to go to BrickSeek and search your zip along with this UPC. But yeah, Walmart $2.40, 50 cents back from the coupons.com app, $1.90 for 3 of these containers or 63 cents, and then double it if you have the $1 off too on the coupons.com app. Definitely download that coupons.com app. It is worth its weight in gold. I mean, last month I think I made like $30 off of the coupons.com app. So yeah, it adds up quickly. Cleaner that I was finding on a clearance, we have Brasso for $2.07. If you have a lot of brass or metal in your home, that stuff is like liquid gold. And then we have the Brillo Cameo, which is for like stainless steel. So for like, if you have like sinks and stuff like that, or appliances. This is the Brasso. And again, I know not everybody has a lot of brass in their home, but if you have a home from like the 70s or 80s, you probably have a little bit of brass to clean up, and it polishes it up beautifully. And this is for the Brillo, that scrub, which is a lot like Comet, but it does a really good job for stainless steel. Just moving it along, guys, looking at some of the disinfectant wipes. Look at this one for $1.60. And I love what they did with the masking tape to try to make it look okay, but still put it on clearance. Why is this still on a shelf? It should be in a bin for free somewhere. I don't know. And then we have this 3-pack of the Dawn for $12.66. I think that is just way, way, way too rich. Like really expensive. Kenny Rogers, know when to hold it. Yeah, this is a hold. I would wait till this is like, $3. Way too expensive. And the single canisters of this, so it's 50% off for $3.74. Still too expensive. I was super disappointed that all of the Kris Jenner stuff that was 50% off, her Simply or Safely cleaner that I really like, it was all gone. I was like, what? And then we have this multi-purpose cleaner and degreaser for 64 cents. And it is just the Walmart generic brand, but 64 cents, nothing to really sneeze at. A lot of the other cleaners were completely cleared out. Like people see cleaner at even 50%, and it's like, start the car. We're gonna clean out the cleaner. But definitely be on the lookout for some of this, and look at the apps like IBOTTA, coupons.com. You might, get some cheaper stuff with rebates. Okay, now we're going to talk really quickly about the Dollar General. I released this 14-minute video yesterday for the clearance event that's happening this Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Lots of freebies, lots of information, lots of great everything in here. Even if you're not a big Dollar General shopper, if you could go and watch this video or even give it a thumbs up, I'd be so grateful. Just so the video can get out to more people. I would really appreciate this. The video took 18 hours to make. Marvel at that for a second. My brain is fried from that still. As suspected, Colgate gave us a $3 digital. So this toothpaste that's $2.80 starting on Friday, with that $3 digital, it's going to be free plus 20 cents of overage. At a non-updated store, you're getting that overage. At updated stores, you're just getting a free item. So just be mindful of that. Another digital coupon that showed up is a $3.30 off a 2 for the Febreze. So grabbing 2 clearance these Air Effect sprays for $2.70. Subtracting that digital coupon, it's free plus 60 cents of overage. And then this 2 off of 2 digital was not attaching to this box of Captain Crunch, but now it is. So it would make it $1.35 for 2 boxes of cereal. If you need food that's on the cheap, yes. And I also made a whole video of just really quick matchups. It's one of my YouTube shorts. I will link it at the end if you want to just watch that instead of a very long video. So option A or option B, you pick. Last store that we have is Rite Aid, and bonus cash challenges ended yesterday. There's new bonus cash challenges. I did see this deal. Coupons Are Sweet was mentioning it on Instagram. It's a fire deal. These Tom's deodorants are on clearance, and buy 2 of them, get $6 back in bonus cash. That's a money maker. So 2 of them is $4.48. Look for them in the clearance section. Get $6 back in bonus cash, making this free plus a $1.52 money maker. The limit for this is 2. So grab 4 of those deodorants, pay just under $10 and get $12 back in bonus cash. That is a super smart thing to do. Love free deodorant. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.